It is only due to this particular setting of the suspension that it is very much possible to, glide through bad patches of road which is there. If you make the suspension softer by any means, then it won't be possible for you to, anymore glide through bad patches of road. So hello and a very good morning, guys. Welcome back to another video. My name is Dipayan and this is my CB350. I hope each one of you all are doing absolutely fine. And enjoying the winter of 2021. So yes guys, today let's talk about the suspension system of this motorcycle, the Honda Highness CB350. Gosh, it's a very complicated thing to talk about. Mixed opinion everywhere. It has got a stiff suspension. It should have been softer. Few feel that it is a soft suspension. They should have tuned the suspension well. A lot of opinions everywhere. So yes, let me just give you all my explanation and what exactly I feel after riding it for around 3,500 kilometers. Yes, I do feel that the suspension is a bit on the stiffer side, but yes, you feel it only when you go slow. You don't feel the stiffness when you go fast or when you go at a moderate speed. By fast, I do not mean very fast. I mean when you just go on a moderate speed. The suspension is on the stiffer side, guys. There is no doubt about it, but it is there for a purpose. You have to understand one thing, that the company designed a suspension for a motorcycle after considering a lot of factors. Like for instance, the weight of the motorcycle. It is fairly a heavy motorcycle, guys, okay? And it's a front heavy motorcycle, so that's why the front suspension is on a stiffer side. The rear suspension is not that stiff as the front one, since this is a front heavy motorcycle, okay? The rear one, as we all know, is adjustable. We have got 5-step adjustability available for the rear suspension. You could adjust it as per your requirement. But the front one is not adjustable. So as I was saying, the company also has to factor in the weight of the motorcycle before they design a particular suspension for a particular motorcycle. So since the weight of this motorcycle is fairly heavy and more weight is on the front side, so to balance that, the company has provided a stiffer suspension in the front and comparatively softer suspension at the rear, just to balance out the weight of the motorcycle and to provide a good overall suspension setup for the motorcycle. And yes, you could play around with the suspension setup of the rear one if you carry a heavier person, or if you yourself is on the heavier side. Say for instance your weight is more than 90 kilos, then you should definitely go ahead and tweak the settings provided by the company for the rear suspension and make it appropriate for your weight. But if you are weighing somewhere between 70 to 85 kilos, then I feel you do not need to tweak the suspension whatsoever. It is absolutely fine, and it should do a very good job in carrying your weight and giving you all the proper performance which is expected out of this motorcycle. Yes, you could also play around with the front suspension. That is very much possible. You could try out thinner grade of fork oil which is present inside the fork legs of the suspension. You could try out thinner grade, or you could you could also tweak the level of fork oil present in the fork legs to soften the suspension or stiffen it. You could do that. So as I was saying, guys, you could definitely play around with the suspension settings of your motorcycle, but before doing so, let me tell you all that the company had provided you with this particular suspension setup after doing a lot of research on the motorcycle, the weight of the motorcycle, the weight of the rider that the bike is intended for, and done a couple of other performance oriented research as well before providing you this particular setup of the suspension. So apparently this is supposed to be the best possible suspension setup which is there for your motorcycle, for this motorcycle. They have obviously provided an adjustability for the rear one, because if you go on a tour with a lot of luggage, or maybe a pillion who is on the heavier side, you need to tweak the rear suspension a bit to suit your need. But you should not expect a lot of difference by tweaking the rear suspension, since it is just going to give you a marginal difference. If you tweak the rear suspension, not a very big difference will be there, as you would be only increasing or decreasing the preload which is available for the rear suspension. You could be sure that the stock suspension which is there, it is fair enough to do most of the jobs which is required for it to do. Also, I would like to state another point over here, guys, that is, it is only due to this particular setting of the suspension that it is very much possible to glide through bad patches of road which is there. If you make the suspension softer by any means, then it won't be possible for you to anymore glide through bad patches of road. You have to go very slowly on those roads, as the case is with motorcycles that come with softer suspension setup. So that is one thing which you should note before you start playing around with the suspension setup. Other than that, guys, there is no complaints from my side regarding the suspension that is provided by the manufacturer for this motorcycle. It is all good. As per me, it is one of the best suspension which is available for this bike at this price point. As we all know, the front suspension is provided by Showa, which is one of the renowned brand of the world. So there's nothing much to worry about it. So yes, if you want to tweak the suspension setup, you could go ahead and play around with it, because at the end it is the the ride quality which matters. So if you're feeling any kind of problem regarding the ride quality with regards to the suspension of the motorcycle, please do go ahead and tweak it as per your requirement. But I just wanted to make all these points clear before you go and tweak the suspension. And also one more thing, guys, if you're planning to tweak the suspension, before that make sure that the tire pressure that you are having is proper. You would find the actual tire pressure which should be there in your motorcycle on your owner's manual, or it is also printed on the left hand side of the swing arm, so you could refer to that and have it checked and ride the bike once before judging that whether your motorcycle needs any kind of suspension tweaking, because tire pressures are very much related to the suspension of the bike. So if your tire pressure is not correct, then you are going to have an improper suspension from the motorcycle. So prior to setting up your suspension, please do have the tire pressure checked once. Well, that's it, guys. I just wanted to make this particular vlog to convey this message that the suspension of this motorcycle is on the stiffer side, but yes, it is adjustable. The front one at the same time the rear one, but the front one requires a lot of manual engagement to do so. The rear one is pretty simple. You could just turn the knob to adjust it for softness or stiffness. So yes, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for all your subscription, and thank you so much for tuning back to my channel, guys. Have a wonderful week ahead. Please take good care of yourself and your family. Ride safe. Share this video with your family and friends. Take care, everybody. Bye bye.